Hello, beautiful people. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Welcome back to my channel, your hairstyle guide. May Allah Almighty give you health, wealth, and success in every field of life. Today, I brought for you very amazing and beautiful box braids hairstyles. These are actually crochet hairstyles in which box braids are very famous. These are protective hairstyles and these hairstyles protect your natural hair. But keep in mind, don't fasten your hair very tightly because it causes headache. And if you like my video, if you are new on my channel, I request you to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that every upcoming video reach to you. And please let me know in the comments how do you like my video. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Enjoy the video.